Hi, everybody. I'm Mrs. Hanley, and I teach AP World History. Couple things that you should know about this class. First of all, it's an AP class. So, like any other AP class, it prepares you to take a college board exam in May. If you pass that exam, then you can earn college credit in world history. It's also weighted, but that means that it's increased difficulty. It requires more independence of you as a student and a strong work ethic. The second thing that you need to know about AP World History is that it's global. So, if you're interested in learning about Latin America or Russia or Sub Saharan Africa or South Asia or East Asia, all of those regions of the world are included in AP World History. And it really focuses on the time frame between about 1200 and the present. So, if you're interested in something difficult and in something global, this might be a good course for you. Some other things that you should know about this class is it really helps you build skills. As a thinker, somebody who can read historical documents and put them in context and use them, but also as a writer, we focus a lot on how to make a historical argument, how to defend that argument with evidence and with reasoning to prepare you for the college board exam. And those writing skills transfer across curriculum and subject area. Once you learn how to be a good writer, you can take those skills anywhere. But we also focus on historical thinking. So, how to think about cause and effect or change over time. Um, or other ways of thinking about history. So, for example, we look at Atlantic revolutions that happened in the world around the same time, political revolutions in America, in South America, and in Haiti. We look at cause and effect. Why did those revolutions happen? How did they affect the people who lived in those places at that time? But we also can make comparisons across time. So, how are those similar or different from revolutions that happened in the 19th century in Russia? Bolshevik Revolution, or in the 20th century in Iran, for example? What things do we see that changed over time or stayed the same? Or we look at things like global trade patterns. What do we see as similar, continuous, from trade in the Indian Ocean in the 1200s to trade across the Atlantic with Christopher Columbus to industrialization and how that affected trade between Asia and Africa and the New World? And then in the 20th and 21st centuries with the internet and globalization of trade, what changed and what stayed the same. So, if you're really interested in digging into a global course, one that focuses on skill building and really challenges your ability to think about the world, this might be a great class for you. It's open to grades 9 through 12, so anybody can take it if you're willing to meet that challenge. I look forward to seeing you in AP Pro.